Yes, good morning, friends. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about semi models. Okay. If we talk about models, models are the auxiliary verbs. Okay, auxiliaries. Auxiliaries. Models are auxiliaries verbs. Okay. can, can, could, should, may, might. Okay, these are these are these are models. Okay, if we talk about semi models, we will discuss need, second dare, and third used to. Right, first need, second dare, and third used to. Okay, see, we can use need as a model and as a verb. As a model and as a verb. As a verb. Okay, same condition is with there, and same condition is with, sorry, same condition is with there. Okay, need can be used as a model as a verb. There it can also be used as a model as a verb, right? Okay, so first of all, let's pay attention to syntax. Okay, subject plus need plus verb first form plus object. Okay, if we talk about negative, subject plus need not plus verb first form plus object. And if we talk about interrogative sentence, need plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay, suppose that I need to make a sentence. Okay, मुझे प्रिंसिपल से मिलने की आवश्यकता है. Okay, so how to make sentence? I need to meet the principal. I need to meet the principal. Okay, see, if I write the sentence, okay, here I used to. Okay, so need will be used as a verb here. Okay, if I need to use need as a model, okay, I will have to remove to. Right, I need meet the principal. Okay, according to syntax. And if I use over here to, okay, so need will work as a verb. It will work as a verb. Okay, now it will work as a verb. Okay, and if I do not use to, now it will work as a modal. Okay, I need meet the principal. Okay, in negative sentence, okay, I need not meet the principal. I need not meet the principal. Okay, and if I talk about interrogative sentence, need I meet the principal. Need I meet the principal. Okay, so friends, need can be used as a modal and as a verb. Okay, suppose that if I have to use need as a verb, okay, I need to meet the principal. Okay, in if we talk about negative sentence, okay, here in negative sentence we were using I need not. Okay, and here we will use I do not need to meet the principal. Okay, here we have to use do not. Okay, suppose that, okay, if I use he, okay, instead of I, okay, instead of I, okay, so he needs to meet the principal. Okay, and if I use he, okay, he does not need to meet the principal. Okay, so it is working as a modal and it is working as a verb, right? If it works as a modal, okay, so subject plus need plus verb first form plus object, subject plus need not plus verb first form plus object, need plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay, I need meet the principal, I need not meet the principal, need I meet the principal. As a verb he needs to meet the principal. Okay, how to attach two verbs? Okay, with the help of two preposition. Okay, he does not need to meet the principal, or interrogative, does he need to meet the principal, right? Same thing happens to dare. Okay, if we talk about the syntax of dare, subject plus dare plus verb first form plus object, subject plus dare not plus verb first form plus object, dare plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay, हिम्मत करना, हिम्मत रखना, हिम्मत दिखाना, dare. Okay, मुझ में प्रिंसिपल से मिलने की हिम्मत है. Okay, so how to use? I dare meet the principal. Okay, मुझ में हिम्मत नहीं है, so I dare not meet the principal. Okay, क्या मुझ में हिम्मत है? Dare I meet the principal. Okay, okay, like need. Okay, subject plus dare plus verb first form plus object, subject plus dare not plus verb first form plus object, dare plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay, I dare meet the principal. Here dare is working as a modal. Okay, dare is working as a modal. Okay, and suppose that if dare works as a verb, okay, so I dare to meet the principal. मुझ में प्रिंसिपल से मिलने की हिम्मत है. I dare to meet the principal. Okay, here we have to attach two verbs with the help of two prepositions. Okay, in negative, I do not dare to meet the principal. Okay, in interrogative, okay, do I dare to meet the principal? you are there to meet the principal, right? So dare and need, okay, they work as a modal and as a verb. Okay, next let's talk about used to. Used to, okay. See, used to it tells past habit. Okay, मैं पहले कोई काम किया करता था. Okay, suppose that तुम चाय पिया करते थे. Okay, so you used to take tea. You used to take tea. Okay. So if we talk about syntax, subject plus used to plus verb first form plus object. Okay, it works as a modal. Okay, next, if we talk about negative, subject plus did not plus used to plus verb first form plus object. Okay, used to will be converted into used to. Okay, next, interrogative, did plus subject plus used to plus verb first form plus object. Okay, so मैं चाय, तुम चाय पिया करते थे. You used to take tea. Okay, तुम चाय नहीं पिया करते थे. You did not used to take tea. You did not used to take tea. Okay, क्या तुम चाय पिया करते थे? Did you used to take tea? Okay, so used to, it represents your past habit. Okay, suppose that मैं बचपन में कंचे खेला करता था. Okay, I used to play earthen marbles in my childhood. Okay, मैं नहीं खेला करता था. I did not used to play earthen marbles in my childhood. Okay, क्या मैं खेला करता था? Did I used to play earthen marbles in my childhood? Okay. So friends, these are semi-modals: used to, need, and dare. Okay, need and dare, it works as a verb, it works as a modal. Okay. So so friends, these are semi-modals. Okay, used to, need, and dare. Okay, you can use it in your you can use it in your daily life in spoken English. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much, and take care.